So this is what Laguna de Sanchez looks like this year, 2025, in the month of April. They're getting ready to cultivate. So it doesn't have water. Last year in October that I came, 2024, there was water, and that is very unusual. So in a few more months, there should be sunflowers here, and they use them so people can come and take pictures, and that's how they make a little bit of money. Laguna de Sánchez, en el año 2025, en el mes de abril, ya están cultivando la tierra para sembrarla. No siempre tiene agua, pero no deja de ser un lugar hermoso. The majesty of the mountains. Seis. Okay. Let's see what it does. We're heading to La Camotera. Never been there before. People have their log cabins. ¿Qué dice, amigo? Camotera. Got to the top. Almost there. I can check my map, make sure I'm going right. Okay. Looks like we're doing okay. And looks like we got to the puerta. Doesn't mean we can't cross it. So we'll see if we can open this door. La Camotera. All right. Okay. There she is. Woo-wee. Well, I decided against opening the gate. I think it's a steep downhill. And so I'm at the high point of this route. And it's very lonely. And if something happens down there, I don't think anybody will be there to help. So, and I'd rather just go back and get back on the main road. But you can see here these zigzags, switchbacks. I guess people walk up that mountain. Yeah, I can see a little town all the way in the front of me. That's probably La Camotera. All right. Not when you're by yourself. It's best to just get back on the main road, just in case. I have a steep downhill, so that's going to be plenty of fun. Let's see what happens. Always interesting. Downhills are tough. Hello, chickens. Nice downhill. Very steep downhills. That's why I didn't want to do another downhill, and then one is enough. Okay.